How to add Revolut Card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can launch your App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet. After app appears, install it and launch it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, you will find different available card options. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. For instance, I will be selecting debit or credit card. Now click on Continue. Click on Enter card details manually. Now you have to fill this. You have to verify and complete your card information. Firstly, go ahead and type in your card number. Once you type in, click on Next. And then complete the verification process. With that, your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add Revolut Card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.